Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and trying out a new glue gun. This is from Monvent. Yes. Anyway, it's from Monvent, and they asked that I would give it a quick review in exchange for sending me the new glue gun. And I can already tell just by the image on the front that it's something I'm probably going to like because it has the stand. I don't use a glue gun nearly as often as I used to because they're just so hard to deal with. I've got a small mini glue gun that you couldn't really set up. It would basically fall over. You'd get glue all over the place or burn yourself on the nozzle because you forgot that it was sitting on your desk. Or I would try to put it off to the side, like on the floor. I do have a tile floor back here, but then again, it's on the floor. It can get dirt or whatever onto it, or it can get stuck to your shoe if you step on it by mistake. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what this one has to offer. So in the box, we've got the glue gun, and it is a nice size. And I do like that it's got a couple of little finger notches. It's got some finger notches for my fingers to go in, and it fits just right. And it stands up, so I don't have to have a special stand for it or, again, worry about it falling off onto my desk or something. And they also gave a couple of these little finger protectors, which is cool, and some nice size glue sticks. So this one is not a mini glue gun. It has got the big glue sticks. So let's go ahead and take one of those out, and I do need to plug this in. I have not actually tried this one out as yet, but to me it really makes me feel that this one is just the look of it. I have not, like I said, I haven't tried it yet, but just the look of it, I'm thinking that it's going to be substantial enough that not only could I use this one, but it's possible this is something that my husband could use in his job. He is an engineer, and at times he does need to use a hot glue gun for his work. And that is basically needing to put things together in the speakers that he works on. So already plugged it in. It does have the light on, and it is an amber color. So let's see what it says in the booklet about what the amber color means. So, because I also know it's got a couple of different ways you can turn it on. It's got a 1 line, 0 in the center, and then we've got the double line down at the bottom. This has a it is a dual tip hot glue gun equipped for 12 glue sticks, 2 finger protectors, and it's suitable for voltages of 110 to 240 volts, frequency 50 to 60 hertz, and glue sticks that are up to that measure 0.43, like almost a ½ inch. Okay, now that I've got the words out of the way. Okay, preheat the glue gun for 1 to 3 minutes. So I will be stopping the video and starting back up. And okay, plug in the hot glue gun, switch power on 80 or 120 volts. The indicator power light will be in red if you select 80 volts. And yellow if it's 120. So I've got it set on the 120 because you can see it is, to me, it looks kind of an auburn color or an amber color. But if I switch the switch over to the 1, it does turn red. Okay, so that is going to tell us whether or not it is high or low heat. And I'm thinking that low heat is going to be the red and high heat is going to be the yellow. So you can see the difference on the lights there. So we're going to let this sit. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on high and leave it sitting for a couple of minutes while it heats up, and I'll start back up and we'll try it out once it's heated up enough. Okay, so I went ahead and put in the glue. I have not tried anything other than just inserting it. So And it does drip out fairly easily, so that is good. I also went ahead and, because I haven't done it in a while, I thought I'd make a rosette, and then I got this much done. It's like, I didn't cut a big enough piece. So instead of taking a ton more time, I am going to go ahead and just give this a try without adding any more additional paper. So I'm going to take my glue gun, and we're going to put some glue down. And what's nice is it's not dripping off. I don't know if you can see that, but it is not dripping off the edge. So that is fantastic. And this is, again, on the high heat. So that's where it would be most likely that it would drip if it's going to. And I'm just going to, and it's been a long time since I made any rosettes, so we shall see how this half rosette does. And it seems like the glue is already cooling pretty well, so I need to work faster. Okay, let's see if I can stop making a mess. Let's add some more glue down. Okay. I'm just going to position this onto that glue. And this, of course, is one of the glue sticks that came with the gun. I'm just going to hold that in place for a minute. This is going to be kind of a half circle banner thing, right? Instead of a full rosette. And I'm catching it on my nails, so I do have some strings. But now it's pretty much held. So I'm going to add some more to this one and do the same thing on the back. And it is really, really hot. So I should have been using the protective pieces. Okay, so it looks like it is working pretty well. I'm satisfied, to be honest. One of the nice things that I can already see is that it's got a little bit of a runner there, but that's because I, of course, did not clean it off quick enough, but it's not dripping. It's not making a mess. I mean, it is still nice and hot, and it's not dripping, and I can just set it down and not really worry about it. So that is super, super cool. So in the instructions, let me see if there's anything else I need to say on here. So it does have the preheat. To save glue sticks and no dripping, shut it off. Shut off the power a few minutes before stopping use. So that means even if you're just doing something, you can heat it up and turn it off, or even unplug it, and it's still going to be hot enough for you to use for a few minutes, which is nice. Okay, one thing to let you guys know for when you start using it, because I did notice this, when it was heating up before I put the glue in, I did smell something a little bit. The normal heat kind of thing when turning on an electrical appliance. And it does say on here that it may emit a little smoke when using it at the beginning, which is normal because of the temperature difference between the before heating and the after heating of the air. So it is totally fine, and it didn't smoke for very long, and it stopped. So I am really happy with this little gun. I'm going to keep this at my desk. Like I said, I don't use hot glue a lot, but there are a lot of fun techniques that you can do using a glue gun. And the first thing, of course, I thought of was rosettes, and it is stuck on there really good. So the glue is really nice too. So you guys have a wonderful day. If you're interested in this product, I will leave a link down below in the description, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.